Hiccups occur when the diaphragm unexpectedly contracts, causing a rush of air to interrupt the vocal cords. This quirky phenomenon results in the characteristic hic sound, a brief glitch in our body's system. Though the exact reason for hiccups remains a mystery, some believe they might be remnants of ancient reflexes from our evolutionary past. While often harmless, hiccups can sometimes be triggered by certain foods, drinks, or even emotional stress. Most hiccups resolve on their own, but various home remedies are believed to help calm the diaphragm. In rare cases, persistent hiccups can indicate an underlying health issue necessitating medical attention.